Hey y'all, I am back with another try on haul for No Sleep Boutique. As y'all already know, I am the brand ambassador and I will be doing try on haul on the sleepwear. But anyway, so this is what I got on. This one is called, we ain't gonna waste no time, but anyway, this what I got on right now is called Take Care. Take Care, and it's basically for caregivers, mothers, nurses, doctors, future doctors. Basically, if you're caring for someone, if you're taking care of someone, this is for you. Okay, so or role playing. I mean, if you're into that type of thing, you can role play in this romper onesie. So yeah. And look at the details on here. So we got the check-in clipboard, we got the band-aid, the vitamins, a coffee cup, the little the little tag for the nurse or doctor or whatever. And so I started to have some props for this, but I don't know. I don't have time for that. It's just too much going on. Too much to do for props. Because I am the prop queen. I have props for all my onesies. Well, I do have a prop for one of them that I'm about to do in a minute. But anyway, so we got four more to try on. Y'all already know. Same material. Stretchy, polyester, spandex. And by the way, y'all, no tummy control today. No tummy control whatsoever. So it's just looking like, it's looking like almost snatched. Almost. Snatched. Okay. It's looking snatched from the side. Alright, y'all. I'm about to get into the next one. Okay. I hope I'm looking in the right direction. Right here. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Hey, so I'm back with another one. I just got off of Instagram, y'all. So yeah, here's the next one, y'all. Here's the next one. And for some reason, the short sleeves make me appear smaller. It made me appear smaller, but I ain't mad. I ain't mad though. At all. So, but anyway, this one is called 90s Lover. 90s Lover. And this is for if you love the 90s. You don't necessarily have to be born in the 90s to cop this. It's just if you love the 90s, because the 90s was the best era of all time. Yeah, so if you love all things 90s, this is for you. And I just got off of Instagram and on YouTube, so I always forget something. I leave something out. I say everything on Instagram, but when I come over here to YouTube, I leave something out. But I think I said everything this time around. I just said it out of order. But anyway, y'all, let me start rambling. But yeah, it's giving Saved by the Bell type of vibe, but it definitely giving that 90s vibe. Definitely giving that 90s vibe. And it says reliving. Let me come up a little closer. It says reliving the 90s. Because, you want to relive the 90s. And I also threw out a little, idea. Like, if you're going to, like, a 90s party or whatever, you can wear this, like, with a 90s hairstyle or whatever. That's just a little slight idea, just to throw out or whatever. So, yeah, this is so cute. So cute. I had to do a 90s like. And it's for the 90s, baby. I didn't say that on Instagram. So, but again, you don't necessarily have to be born in the 90s to cop this. You can be a 90s lover. It says reliving the 90s on here. So we gonna relive the 90s. So, but I'm a 90s baby, so it don't matter anyway. So yeah. I really do. Cause it's giving snatch. It's giving, I'm gonna wear this outside. I don't know where, somewhere. I'm definitely gonna wear this outside. It's giving Saved by the Bell, 90s. Yeah, it just, y'all know, it's just what it's doing. Okay. Alright, y'all. Next, we don't need no script for this. I'm gonna throw a couple thousand, baby. Let's make a movie. Yeah, starring you and me. Yeah. But anyway, this one is called Movie Night, Let's Make a Movie, and it did make production. I did post this last year on Instagram, and I was supposed to come out with it then, but I didn't, so I felt the need to come out with it now because y'all already seen it. But I didn't get that many of them, so it don't really matter. But I know some of y'all gonna like it and copy it, so it's all good. So yeah. That's it. I just got off of Instagram and I said a whole lot. But anyway, yeah, I'm wearing a medium, of course. It has a little, action tape thing. I don't know what it's called. We got that director's chair right here. We got the popcorn. That's all I can see. I can't really see like that, and I don't even know if I'm looking right in the right direction. I'm supposed to look right here. Okay, let's see. But yeah, that's all. And then it has our logo. Oh, it got the little camera on here too. Got the camera and our logo on here. Starring you and me. Yeah. Get it, girl. Okay. But that's all I got, y'all. That's all I got. And I love how the short sleeves makes me look so small. I hope y'all notice my nails. They ain't done. But whatever. Same. I'm glad I got 5 looks. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all no much longer. All right, let's get into the next one. I'm every man fantasy, every worst nightmare. Don't believe me, ask your man, cause he right here. Y'all don't know nothing about that. So anyway, this one is called Girl of Your Nightmares. And the designer made this originally for Halloween, but to me, I feel like it can be for any season. Like, that's why I decided to go ahead and release it now. It can also maybe be good for Valentine's Day, because it got the little hearts on there or whatever. But I got some other stuff for Valentine's Day, so y'all ain't gotta worry about that. So yeah, it don't really matter. So you can copy it for Halloween. We may still have some more available by then, but then again, I don't know when this video is gonna be released, but but we most likely will have some available still for Halloween if you want to. But yeah, this design right here is perfectly where Girl of Your Nightmares. It actually says Girl of Your Dreams, but it got dreams slashed out and put nightmares instead. Like, it's lit. You need to holler at you. What you sweating me for? Anyway, y'all don't know nothing about that. That was MySpace days. Like, MySpace days. You just had to be there. Oh my God. That's it, y'all. That's it. I'm gonna say less. It's the same. All right, y'all. I'm so glad we got one more. But then again, I do got to do another try on haul after this, though. It's going to be from, well, y'all see when I post it. All right, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm holding y'all up. But y'all like it here. Y'all love it here. Y'all love it here. I can tell y'all love it here. We on the road to 500 subscribers. Y'all love it here. Okay? Y'all really do. Yeah. You need to holler. What you sweating me? Okay, y'all. So this one is called Her Milk Chocolate. Her Milk Chocolate. And I designed this one myself to make it say Her Milk Chocolate. It's so cute though. It is so cute. And I am wearing a medium, of course, no butt flap, of course. And I did get pretty good feedback on this from my Instagram audience or whatever. So I was telling them before I came over here that I hope this one sells out actually, because a pretty good amount of people seem to like this one. So yeah, so I hope it sells out, or at least I won't have but 2 or 3 left. So that's really considered sold out too. But yeah, so yeah, last one, y'all. Last one. But anyway, so like, comment, and subscribe for more try on hauls, y'all. I know y'all loving the try on haul. And make sure y'all, give me feedback. What brands y'all want me to, do try on hauls with that are not sleepwear. So I'll do them or whatever. Might even leave my my Zelle in the description because I'm not monetized yet. So these clothes have to be bought, okay? Before y'all send in y'all requests. Remember, this stuff has to be bought. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that Zelle. Maybe not. But anyway, yeah, so that's it. Also make sure y'all actually like, comment, and subscribe, for more, because if I gotta get a JAB, y'all are not getting any more content. Alright? I hope I don't spoil my dinner, y'all. Well, I ain't gonna eat this whole thing anyway. Mm.